Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. What we're going to work on today is I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel primer bulb on your Stihl outdoor power equipment. The model we're working on today is an FS90 trimmer. Now this video is not really meant to be model specific. All these primer bulbs are generally the same on all the trimmer models and all the backpack blowers and things like that have these. Where you will notice some differences maybe between the model that you have and the FS90 that we have today. It's just some of the bolt locations and access. But overall this is meant to be a general guide to how to replace one of these. I also recommend taking a few minutes to use some degreaser, clean around the area that we're going to work in today. This area tends to accumulate some grease and dirt, grime, things like that, and we don't want any of that to get into your engine. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is remove the orange plastic cover. A couple of the screws that hold the primer bulb in place are obscured by that, so we're going to have to take that off to get some access. These are going to be the T25 Torx head bolts. This model here has 3 of these. So one there on the back, and then I have 2 on the front. Like I said, some models may be a little bit different of where these are located. Once you get those out, you can basically just lift this straight up and slide it off. There's a small metal plate that holds it in place with 4 Phillips head screws. We're going to want to go ahead and remove those. There is a small risk of dropping those screws, so what I recommend doing is kind of what I did just here. Is I loosened them all, left them kind of in place, and then we're going to pry that plate out with the screws on it. That way we don't drop anything down into the engine. Set that off to the side. So now we have our primer bulb here. You can see I'm able to pull that right out. For some comparison here, we'll look at the old one, the new one here. You can see how discolored that original one is. And like I said, these can develop cracks. That's what this one here has. Might be hard to see there, but there's a crack there that's keeping this one from working. Back in place. I'm going to take our metal plate and screws, and then also set those back in place. And then we just need to get the screws tightened back down again. And we don't need to make these too tight. Just snug them up. We don't want to strip out any of the threads or anything like that. But you want to make it tight so they don't loosen up real easy. And we can test it out, see if it works. Just going to go ahead and pump a couple times. We should see the fuel come in there. Came in there right away. So that one's working good again. So all we need to do now is go ahead and reinstall our orange cover from earlier. Put that back in place, and then we'll be all set. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and tighten those bolts down, but we're pretty much all done here. That's all you really need to see. So I hope this video was helpful. It's a pretty easy job. but it can be a pain when these don't work. A little hard to start your trimmer and things like that. So I hope the video was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, I'd appreciate it if you did. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.